Coming up, a look at your local radar. But first, the current local conditions. Current regional conditions.
There you are! Finally managed to get the broadcast out. If anyone out there is listening to this radio transmission, please, I need your help. There's no time to explain. Have you ever heard of a place called the Spiral Core? Big communications antenna, kind of hard to miss. That's where I am right now. But the main power's gone down and I can't get out. If nothing's done, this whole area is going to lose its only source of entertainment. Forever. I'm begging you. This is the only way how to fix a broken radio. Now then, let's move along as if someone out there has been listening from the very beginning, shall we? The Spiral Core is that tower with the distinctive spiral design, you know the one, down southeast of this wasteland where this little local broadcast of ours is playing. You know where I mean, right? Just be careful if you're heading there on foot. It'll take you a few hours. Easy.
Emergency power activated.
Welcome to Spiral Core visitors. This tower stabilizes this virtual radio wave.